Welcome back to our English class. So today we are going to start a new lesson of second semester. So this is a very nice poem. This poem is about overcoming your fears. All of us have some fears in our life, right? All of us fear of something. So this poem is going to teach us how to get over or overcome our fears. So this poem is about a kite. It is about a kite, and the poem's name is How the Little Kite Learned to Fly. It is about a kite which learned to fly, and we will see how the kite was initially afraid of flying. दिस लेसन इज़ अबाउट, ये लेसन एक ऐसे पतंग के बारे में है जो पहले उड़ने के लिए घबराता है, फिर अपने इच्छा शक्ति को मजबूत करके आसमान में उड़ने सीखता है. सो बिफोर लर्निंग दिस पोएम वी विल लर्न सम न्यू वर्ड्स हियर. सी हियर, ट्रैंक्विल, अनडिस्टर्ब, काम, शांत होना. Stirred, to move. Stirred means to move. Trembling, shaking with fear or excitement. When you shake with fear or with excitement. Trembling, when you shake with fear or excitement. Whirling, whirling means swinging round, round, round. Swinging round and round, whirling. Steadily, without shaking. Steadily means without not shaking, steady. Thrilled, excited. Pride means feeling of achievement. So before starting this poem, we will read it once. And this poem is written by whom? Catherine Pyle. Catherine Pyle. So we will read it first. I never can do it, the little kite said, as he looked at the others high over his head. I know I should fall if I tried to fly. Try, said the big kite, only try, or I fear you will never learn at all. But the little kite said, I'm afraid I'll fall. The big kite nodded. Ah, well, goodbye, I'm off. And he rose toward the tranquil sky. Then the little kite's papers stirred at the sight, and trembling he shook himself free for flight. First whirling and frightened, then braver grown. Up, up he rose through the air alone, till the big kite looking down could see the little one rising steadily. Then how the little kite thrilled with pride as he sailed with the big kite side by side. While far below he could see the ground and the boys like small spots moving around. They rested high in the quiet air, and only the birds and clouds were there. Oh, how happy I am, the little kite cried, and all because I was brave and I tried. So did you see how this kite learned to fly? So let's start learning this. I never can do it, the little kite said. As you can see, there are two kites. One is a little kite and one is a big kite. Bigger one, this is little, this is big. So here, the little kite is afraid of flying because it thinks that it will fall down. यहाँ पे जो छोटी पतंग है वो डर रही है कि जैसे ही वो उड़ने के लिए जाएगी वो गिर जाएगी. So see here, the little kite is saying that I never can do it. It is saying that I can never do it. The little kite said as he looked at others high over his head. The little kite was looking at other kites which were flying high over little kite's head. So looking at the other kites, the little kite said, what? I can never do it, because it was afraid. Why was it afraid? What was it thinking? I know I should fall if I tried to fly. The little kites Fear is that it will fall if it tried to fly. The little kite is thinking that it will fall if it tried. Then what happens? Try, said the big kite, only try. Now this big kite is telling little kite that try, only try, don't do anything, just try, only try. Or I fear you will never learn at all. Or I fear you never will learn at all. The big kite is telling to the small kite that it fears that the little kite will never learn if it never tried. So can you do anything without trying, kids? No. If you just sit and think that you cannot do it, you will never do it. You should give a try always. You should always give a try. Without trying, nothing happens. But the little kite said, I am afraid I'll fall. The little kite said, I am afraid I'll fall. The little kite is thinking again that it will fall. The big kite nodded. It moved its head and said, well, goodbye. I'm off. Now the big kite got tired of convincing the little kite. छोटी पतंग जब डर रही थी कि वो जैसे ही उड़ने जाएगी वो नीचे गिर जाएगी, बड़ी पतंग ने उसे समझाने की कोशिश की कि अगर वो कभी ट्राई नहीं करेगी तो वो कभी सक्सीड नहीं होगी, वो कभी उड़ नहीं पाएगी. विदाउट ट्राइंग यू कैनॉट डू एनीथिंग. अगर आप कुछ चीज़ें ट्राई ही नहीं करते तो आप उसमें सफलता नहीं पा सकते. सो आफ्टर कन्विंसिंग दिस मच, बिग काइट फ्लू अवे सेइंग, वेल गुड बाय, आई एम ऑफ. बड़ी पतंग ने कहा मैं अब जा रही हूँ, गुड बाय. And he rose toward the tranquil sky. The big kite rose towards the tranquil sky. फिर बड़ी पतंग हवा में, आकाश में उड़ गई, शांत आकाश में उड़ गई. Then let's see what happens. Then the little kite's paper stirred at the side, and trembling he shook himself free for flight. Then the little kite's paper, the kite is made of what? Paper. Then the little kite's paper stirred, moved at the side, and trembling he shook himself free for flight. After getting convinced from the big kite to fly or to give a try at least, the little kite started trembling and he shook himself free for flight. First whirling, moving round and round. First moving round and frightened. It was very scared. It was frightened. Then braver grown. First it was frightened, then it grew braver. Up he rose through the air alone. When he tried to fly, he started whirling with fear, but then he grew braver, and up he rose through the air alone, till the big kite looking down could see the little one rising steadily. Till the big kite looking down could see the little one rising steadily. When it started trying, the big kite could see it trying. Then how the little kite thrilled with pride. As he sailed with the big kite side by side. First it was afraid of trying, but when the big kite convinced it to fly, it gave a try. And it started flying in the sky. It was thrilled with pride. The little kite was very much thrilled with pride because it could overcome its fears. As he sailed with the big kite side by side, as the little kite gave it a try, he started sailing with the big kite side by side. पहले तो छोटी पतंग डर रही थी कि आकाश में मैं कैसे उड़ूं। फिर उसने अपनी पूरी मेहनत लगा के, जान लगा के ट्राई किया। फिर वो आकाश में बड़ी पतंग के साथ साइड बाय साइड उड़ने लगी। While far below he could see the ground and the boys like small spots moving around. They rested high in the quiet air and only the birds and clouds were there. While far below he could see the ground. जैसे ही छोटी पतंग आकाश में बहुत ऊंचा उड़ने लगी, उसे नीचे सब छोटा छोटा दिखने लगा। एंड द बॉयज वर लाइक स्पॉट्स मूविंग अराउंड। जो बॉयज थे नीचे वो कैसे लगने लगे, छोटे छोटे स्पॉट्स की तरह, मूविंग अराउंड, जैसे चींटियाँ दिखती हैं। They rested high in the quiet air. They means these two kites, the big kite and the little kite. They rested high in quiet air without moving, and only the birds and clouds were there. Who were there in the clouds? Only birds. Only birds and clouds were there. Oh, how happy I am, the little kite cried. And all because I was brave and I tried. Now, the little kite is filled with pride because it could achieve something. It gave a try to something. It gave a try for flying. It overcame its fears. So now the little kite is very much happy. Now it is saying, oh, how happy I am. It is saying, how happy I am. The little kite cried. And all because I was brave and tried. Now the little kite is telling us that anything can happen if you are brave and if you try something. So this poem tells us what? That we can do anything, we can achieve anything in life only if we try something. If you sit at home and say, I cannot do it, nothing will happen. You need to try, right? So this poem is all about trying and overcoming our fears. ये poem क्या दर्शाती है कि हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं अगर हम कुछ ट्राई करते हैं, कुछ करने की ठान लेते हैं, जब हम अपने डर को काबू कर लेते हैं, राइट? सो आई होप यू हैव लर्न दिस पोएम, यू हैव लव्ड दिस पोएम ऑल्सो, you have understood this poem very well, and whenever you get any fears, you should do what? You should give it a try to do something. Okay, so I'll tell you again who has written this poem. Catherine Pyle. So what you have to do now, you have to learn these new words. You need to read and recite this poem. So in next class we will solve the exercise related to this poem. So till then, take care and study well.